Good morning and welcome to a very beautiful morning here in Beijing. As I mentioned in the last video, I'm trying to be a bit more restful, so I skipped gym this morning and also slept a bit longer to 5:45. There's a lot of people out walking here together with me in the morning. Very nice, sun is shining. I think it's very important to give the body some time to rest and recuperate, and it's really nice here with the birds chirping, and you have all the trees breaking out here in the background. You have the sun shining, really inspirational. So there's rumors that I have to work from home now in this district in Beijing. We'll see how it turns out, but nice to just get up and refresh to get this morning walk. So yeah, that's a very important tip I have. Give the time to the body to rest. Don't have to just go all in all the time. Important to take small breaks. I must say it's really inspirational when you see these people out swimming in the morning very early, and as I've shown in some other videos, they did it even in the winter. And it's not only young people doing it, it's actually the opposite. I would say people in their, I don't know, 50s, 60s or even later maybe, being very active in swimming and bracing the cold and diving in. So very nice. You just get a cherished opportunity, and a lot of people also running here in the background. Gotta stay active. I think is a fantastic way to start the morning. So I'm just gonna continue walking here. Let me know how you start your days in the mornings. Do you prefer the morning routine or more in the evening? I think it's very nice to just go up, relax, clear your mind a bit, plan for the day before you also go home and have a nice breakfast, and then get the day started before everything just hits your plate and you get busy. So yeah, if you want to see more of this kind of small daily quick walks, I'm gonna keep you updated. If so, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.